Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download or install Binance on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Binance on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for Binance. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is the official website of Binance, and this is also where we can download their app, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download the Binance app on this website, you just need to scroll down and then you will now be able to see 3 download buttons right here. You just need to select a button depending on the device you are using. In my case, I am using a Windows desktop, so this is what I will select. And after that, your Binance app installer will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin your installation setup. So right here, you just need to select the language for your Binance. After selecting a language, just click the OK button to proceed. And then right here, your system will show you the location where your Binance app installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse, but if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, your Binance app installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Binance app, so just log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.